The attempted murder trial against Vusimuzi Matlala and 4 others continues in the High Court in Johannesburg today. The second state witness in Christiaan Frederick Sheppard will take the stand. Matlala, his wife Tsakani Matlala, Tiego Mabusela, Musa, Kekana and Nthabiseng Nzama are on trial for attempted murder and conspiracy to kill businessman Joe Sibanyoni, music producer Seunkie Mokubung and socialite Tebogo Thobejane. Let's get you a sense of what else we know with SABC News reporter Neria Hlakotsa, who's covering the trial and joins us now live from court. And Neria, we've heard quite a lot, for lack of a better term, from the first state witness. What do we know about the man who's likely to succeed him or come after him?
Good morning to you. Well, today we know that Christiaan works in the private security industry. This is a man who will be testifying, among other things, about the lead-up to the arrest of the first accused in the matter, which is Musa, Kekana, and what happened during the arrest and thereafter. We know that among the evidence that the state wants to put through this witness are some of the downloads that were done. The state has already indicated that it has pictures that it will be using as part of this evidence. But the counsel for the first accused has indicated that they will be objecting to some of the evidence, and this could ultimately lead to a trial within a trial. But it remains to be seen today which route really the state is going to take. But remember, accused number one in this matter, Musa Kekana, when he was arrested also, or with regards to the AK-47 that was used in the scene when Joe Sibanyoni was shot at, we heard from the state that one of those assault rifles were found at the house of the accused inside a Hyundai. So it is likely that the state will be leading evidence with regards to that. But I want to take you back yesterday when Bethwell Gele was the security officer really at Centurion Golf Estate when Joe Sibanyoni was shot at. While he was still giving his testimony yesterday, before he concluded, he was being cross-examined by Matlala's legal attorney. And really, it was another opportunity for the defense to discredit his eyewitness statement or a version of events on that night. The issue of whether he was shooting in self-defense or not came up yesterday, with the defense basically saying that it couldn't have been in self-defense because he even continued to shoot at the alleged gunman even when the BMW, that white BMW, was already driving away. We also heard yesterday, Ayanda, that businessman Joe Sibanyoni was injured at the scene, and after the shooting, he managed to run to the boom gate just for his safety. And the ambulance did come to the scene yesterday. However, he chose not to use the ambulance. This is according to Gele saying that it was because he said he doesn't trust anyone at this point. So you can see the night of August 2022 was really a hectic one. And Gele has also maintained that it wasn't easy. Everybody who was involved in that scene on that night was left very traumatized. He even said one of the security officers who he was there with, and this is Mazibuko, was also even too shocked to even talk that night. So he even mentioned, Ayanda must tell you, that the way bullets were flying all over there at the Centurion Golf Estate, even some houses were damaged. But the defense is very firm right now, trying to discredit his eyewitness testimony. In fact, Vusimuzi Matlala's legal counsel even indicated that she wants this statement by Gele to be dismissed because he is lying. She even said it to the court, saying she doesn't have a better way of saying it, but he is lying.